In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect Turtle Beach Stealth 600 to PlayStation 4. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The Stealth 600 for the PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 4 Pro will include a wireless transmitter. You will be using this transmitter to successfully connect the headset to your console. So to set it up and connect it over this wireless connection mode, all that you have to do is plug in the transmitter. So start the process with the headset powered off and the transmitter plugged into the console. You can use any of the available USB ports. Now, press and hold the pairing button on the transmitter itself. If needed, use a paper clip or something similar to press this button because it can be quite tiny. So when you press this pairing button for a few seconds, you should see the LED's indicator flash rapidly. Now press and hold the power button on the headset itself. When you see the LEDs flash rapidly, it also indicates that the headset is now in pairing mode. You might have to press and hold the power button for up to 10 seconds. So once both the transmitter and the headset are in pairing mode, as long as you are in close proximity of both, they will connect to each other and the LEDs will remain solid, indicating that the connection was established. So all that you have to do is be in close proximity and have the transmitter connected to your console. Press and hold the pairing button on the transmitter itself, and then press and hold the power button on the headset until the LEDs flash rapidly on both devices. With this done, you will be able to get them connected by staying in close proximity. They will automatically pair themselves up, and you will be able to listen to all of the audio being output on your PlayStation 4 through the Turtle Beach Stealth 600. If you go over to the settings of the console, you will be able to change it as the default input and output device. You will be able to use the microphone in any sort of voice chat that you join, and you will be able to listen to all of the audio being output. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Turtle Beach Stealth 600 to PlayStation 4. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.